Hi, I'm Christine Lee here in Jacksonville, Florida, and I just want to let you know that you guys are so lucky because Gene Rivers is going to be in your area to teach Business Planning Clinic. Now, he's helped me grow my team from a team of 2 to a team of 11. He's helped me get into Realtor Magazine's 30 Under 30. Trust me, he knows what he's doing. Now, if you don't know what Business Planning Clinic is, think about it this way. NFL has their training camp for their athletes. Well, this is like business training camp for your business to set you up for success. Now, if you want to play pin the tail on the donkey with your business, I'm sure that's loads of fun and have at it. But if you actually want to have a plan for where you're going and be able to meet and exceed your goals, this is only what, let's see, all the top businesses and teams across the country do. So if you want to be on that track, attend Business Planning Clinic. Now, did I mention that Gene Rivers is teaching it? Because he's one of my all-time favorite speakers, which says a lot. I'm very picky. So I know you're going to enjoy his clinic. He's entertaining, he's sassy, he's knowledgeable, experienced, sharp. I can't say enough good things about him. So I know you're going to have a fantastic time. And if I were in your region, I'd be taking myself up there, my lead admin. I mean, I want people there that's going to help me grow my business, hearing what he has to say. So that's all I got to say about that. Enjoy the Business Planning Clinic. I know you're going to learn so much and it's going to help grow your business. Thanks so much. Bye.